Today in the grain market, soybeans firmed up. The persistent dry weather is adding to the boost in the market. We are in a full-on critical summer months, and we're past that first step of planting and getting the grain into the ground. The weather is the issue now. That demand is kind of somewhat quiet for this week. Option volatility is at 22% for July and 26% for the August. I think that's still pretty firm considering where we have been. Plus, the open interest is a little bit on the decline. It almost seems that everyone is just kind of relaxed in the fact that we're well above that $15 mark in soybeans. However, there has been some talk that the objective before the summer's out could be $19 for soybeans, so that's something to watch. Corn did retreat some as well. The futures did take back yesterday's gains, which is somewhat of a surprise because corn has been the leader for a long time now. It was the grain itself is off to a super start. It's in the ground. Lots of the analysts would say that when everything starts so well, that downhill is the only way to go. So perhaps maybe we're having a little bit of profit taking right now. Even though yesterday that December contract did touch limit up yesterday, it could be because there's been record exports in China last week. But one thing for sure is from the CVOL index is that the volatility is up to 45% for corn. To me, that's astronomical for any of the grain contracts, but 45% is really high. And right now, even the at-the-money straddle is trading about $1.30. Now, wheat was lower today. The export sales are a little bit on the slow side. Planting progress is really ahead of schedule. All those things are putting some pressure on the market, as well as some profit taking going on. I think that certainly it just looks like with option vol, like right around 40%, the $7 calls are really the most active calls. And interestingly enough, is the $7 puts have the least open interest in it. So maybe everyone's kind of leaning to the upside right now. For sure, with all the grains, the momentum daily has been moving the markets around. So we're getting daily ranges of much wider than we normally see. I expect that to continue at least till the end of this week. So that becomes a big factor.